Hi, how nice. My name is Carlos Corso, and I will give you a small tour of the wonders of Peru and why I would like to travel to that country. Descriptive summary of the place. Well, Peru is a sovereign country located in western South America. The Pacific Ocean borders its coast and borders Ecuador and Colombia. To the north Brazil, to the east and Bolivia, and Chile to the southeast. Its territory is made up of diverse landscapes, the valleys, plateaus and high peaks of the Andes fall to the west towards the desert coast and the east towards the Amazon. It is one of the countries with the greatest biological diversity and the greatest minerals resource in the world. And tourism the Peru constitutes the third largest industry in the nation, behind fishing and mining, and 250 tourism is directed mainly towards archaeological monuments. Some say as more than 100,000 archaeological sites. According to a study by the Peruvian government, the satisfaction rate of tourists after visiting Peru is 90%. It is the fastest growing industry in their country, growing annually at a rate 50 in the last 5 years, the highest growth rate of any other country in South America. Well, then I will give you reasons why would I am too interested and you should one day want to visit it. Machu Picchu alone justifies traveling to Peru. The ancient city and the Inca Empire is one of the 10 wonders of the modern world, being considered the best culinary destination in the world, according to the World Travel Awards, sometimes like the Oscar for tourism. For 5 consecutive years has allowed Peruvian cuisine to be placed in a position of honor in planetary gastronomy. Um, and emphasis that in my country there are more archaeological sites, but none as high above sea level as Machu Picchu, and the food is lighter than in Mexico. They use less spicy. More reasons. Yeah, the city of Lima. It is worth going to the Magdalena del Mar and Miraflores districts, and you will love to enjoy the green space and the fantastic views of the Malecón or the Parque del Amor. just seeing in photos makes you want to go, whose beaches remind more than one to those of Parwell in Barcelona. Before leaving, the reserve park awaits use with the Magic Water Circuit, which combines light, music, and images in an original way. Enjoy its natural parks. Yeah. Do you know that Peru is one of the countries with the greatest biodiversity in the world? The truth is that in its three regions, the coast, mountains, and jungle, they enjoy 90 microclimates that province their territories with spectacular flora and fauna that on many occasions make that require special protection to preserve them from external threats. Among that space, we find the Huascaran National Park, which with its 16 snow-capped peaks over 6,000 meters high, is one of the most emblematic protected areas with numerous glaciers and lagoons. 3. Visit its beautiful beach. Yeah, the more than 3,000 kilometers of Peruvian coastline allow you to enjoy countless corners to enjoy bathing. Among the best beaches is Punta Sal. One of the most attractive is the north of the country. The warm waters and the climate enjoy the sun all year round. Of the small spa of half hour from Tumbais make it a paradise. Near Punta Sal we find Cerritos, a paradisiacal beach with a small fishing village. Yeah. 4. Visit the Nazca Line. Yeah, there are one of the great archaeological enigmas of recent times. These were hieroglyphics drawn on the desert floor on the same name between 200 BC and 600 AD. The craft, the Peru. It is not possible to travel to Peru and not return loaded with handicraft. It has a lot of handicraft like in my native country Mexico, and it is that without those this is one of the best place of the continent to buy products made by hand since the ancestral culture is very present and traditional techniques are still used. The chuyo, for example, and the typical bridal colors had woven in alpaca and other fibers, has become an icon and one of the favorite garments of travelers visiting Peru. Handmade in an artisanal way with dark cycles and originating in the Adim art. It allows you to cover yourself from the cold and the wind. Likewise, gloves and ponchos are also often bought in alpaca of great softness and low weight. And well, here ends our little tour of Peru. Thank you very much for for your attention.